In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your NHS number. So there are many methods to do so. The first one is to find your number online, which is the easiest option, is to use the official NHS website. You can open any browser that you want, go to the URL section, and just type find your NHS number. Once you do so, you'll have to go and click on the first link, which is from the website nhs.uk. Make sure to go and click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll need to know that NHS number is a 10 digits number like this one. They'll give you an example. Who can use this service? As example, yourself or someone else. How you will get your NHS number. So you can choose to get it by email, text message, or letter. And of course, you'll find here other ways to get your NHS number as example. So you can do it on any letter from NHS by asking your GB surgery and in the NHS app if you have it, and by logging into your NHS account through the NHS website if you know your credentials. And just go and click on my account and log into it. But for us, we want to find an example, just our NHS. As we said, we can do it online. So you'll have to go and scroll down and click on Start Now. You'll have to provide three informations, like first of all, your full name as an example. Then you'll have to provide your date of birth as an example. So let's just something like this. And lastly, you'll need to provide a post code. For example, let me just go and enter that. And of course, you can check your answers here and verify it's true. If it is, you can click on continue. If it's not, click on change and change whatever you want. Then click on continue. For example, for me, they said that we cannot find your NHS number because I just entered some random details. But for you, if you enter your right details, just make sure first of all to enter the same details that your GB has on record or GP has on record, and the NHS can basically then send to your NHS number to you by text, email, or letter. And of course, you can choose from there and you'll be able to do it. Other methods is basically as we saw before in the websites here. So you can either do it from the app, or you can find this on any letter on the app, or by asking GP surgery, or by logging into your account, and you will find this from there. So any of these methods will work for you, and you should be good to go. So that's how you find your NHS number. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.